I love me some ginger shots. You know, you find these little guys at the store. Usually it's ginger, lemon, cayenne. Some have coconut water, you know, different types of stuff. But they're like $4.99 for this little guy, 1.7 ounces. So I thought, not up in here. I'm gonna show you how to make a super easy version using a juicer. It's literally just 2 cups ginger, 2 cups coconut water, 2 lemons, and a little cayenne. Let's get to it.
A little ginger pro tip before we dive in. I like using Costco's ginger just because you get this whole bag for $5 pretty much. In the store it's way more expensive. Going to kick things off by rinsing the lemons and ginger.
So right here is the Juicer Pro from Breville. So essentially juices, blends. It's a super cool machine. This should work on any juicer though. I leave the skins on because I know that this machine can handle it. Just check with your juicer. You might just have to peel these.
Get your machine on, and then you're gonna want to drop in the 2 lemons. Drop in the 2 cups of ginger. And once all those are juiced, you'll see here we got that beautiful juice. Now you want to transfer this mixture to a blender and add in the 2 cups of the coconut water and do a few sprinkles of the cayenne and then give this a blend. Just blend until smooth, everything's combined, and then that's a wrap.
So right here I just have some glass jars I like to store it in. And ginger shots usually last about like 5 to 7 days. So, in like an airtight container. So they'll last you quite a bit, so you can make a good amount in advance. But yeah, you can see how beautiful that color is. And having that coconut water kind of just helps cut that ginger. So these ones actually aren't like crazy intense.
As you can see, this recipe makes quite a bit. So another thing you could do is pour this into ice cube tray, then just freeze it. So as you want one, you could kind of just defrost it from there. Enough talking, let's do some drinking. So a normal serving size, I like to do 2 ounces. And I like to drink this once a day. I just feel amazing from it.
Cheers. I'm telling you, it smells incredible. Time for a sip. Super good. I'm telling you, it doesn't have that crazy burn because of that coconut water, but it's super nice with that fresh ginger, lemon, a little bit of that cayenne. You just feel amazing if you're drinking these daily. Usually I do 1 a day, and I try to make these like once a week, and I just have them in the fridge. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, hit that like button. Come on, it's right there. And subscribe. I got plenty more videos coming. Until next time.